Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we've got with us a pair of stereo headphones. These are made specifically for the iPod and the iPhone. These headphones are also fitted with the control talk technology, which is good for iPod control. There's not much more details given on the box, so let's open these up and see what we have. These are very simple headphones and very brightly colored. They seem to have some sort of leatherette padding as well, and have movable ear cups. There's a bright red wire with a 3.5 mm jack, and that's about it. These are stereo headphones. Thank you for watching.